Hey, I'm Steve, and I've got some exciting news to share with all you outdoor enthusiasts. This is the 1,250 pounds magnet fishing kit by Angler Mag. This kit's going to have everything you need for magnet fishing. It has a 1,250 pound double-sided magnet. What that means is there's 625 pounds of strength on each side of the magnet. You get a 60-foot rope, has a carabiner attached to it. You get some gloves, you get a plastic scraper, you get a microfiber towel, and a mesh bag. You get a small grappling hook as well. They also offer you a free ebook on how to do this on their website. Now, I live around water, I live around a lot of boat launches, and I see what goes on. People drop things in the water all the time. Magnet fishing is something that I always wanted to try, and this kit's going to help me. The 60-footer rope they provide you is definitely heavy duty, so I'm not going to worry about that at all. I can't wait to get out and actually start using this, but seeing how I just got it, I wanted to open the box and show you what is in the box in case you are interested in magnet fishing for yourself. So I'm just going to let the rest of this video run, and we'll give you some close-ups. And if you are looking at this, I hope you found my video helpful.